Well, the firewood's all cut, and I've got everything brought into the tent, and the sun's about to set. I think it's time to batten down the hatches and tuck it in for the night. All right, sun's starting to set, so I'm pulling out my lights for filming. I really like these bicycle lights. This is what I use for my flood lighting when I'm filming at night. And when I'm winter camping, I'm always filming at night. Ooh, it's bright. Got the fireplace turned around so I can work on it a bit. You hear that?